Now, we will install the bicycle chain. Actually, the chain should be installed before setting up the Di2 system. For the sake of the video flow, I've already completed the Di2 system setup. If you look closely at the Shimano chain, make sure the logo is positioned so it's visible. When using a chain link, connect it in the direction the chain rotates. Pay close attention to the arrow markings. Some cheaper products don't have any markings. For those, just install them as they are. Now, let's start installing the chain. First, move the front derailleur to the largest chainring. Then, shift the rear derailleur to the largest sprocket. Install the chain on the crankset and cassette and use a chain hook to temporarily hold it in place. The ideal chain length is when the rear derailleur is almost fully extended but not completely straight. At first, don't cut too much of the chain. Now, use a chain cutter to trim the chain. Next, use a chain link to connect the chain. Once the chain is connected, remove the chain hook that was holding it. At first glance, the chain length seems appropriate. Let's test to see if the chain is too long or too short. Shift the chain to the smallest chain ring in the front and the smallest sprocket in the rear cassette. When shifting, the chain sags slightly. It's about one link too long. Trim one link and reconnect the chain using the chain link. Use the chain link to disconnect the chain again and cut the chain with the chain cutter. Then use the removed chain link to reconnect the chain. Now, the chain length is perfect. You can see the chain no longer sags. And if you use a chain checker, you can measure the chain's lifespan like this. By using the chain checker, it's best to replace the chain before it stretches too much. And as you can see, it can also be used as a chain hook.